Oh man, I like sitting down on the couch and watching TV.
Hey, Danny, what doing? Jeffy, what do you want? I'm watching TV. I'm bored, Danny. Can I play Fortnite on the TV? Jeffy, I'm literally using the TV right now. Just go play outside. Outside? I don't want to play outside. It's too hot. Jeffy, it's not even that hot outside, and don't talk back to me. Okay, fine. I'll go play outside. Jeez. Ha! That's what I'm talking about. He ain't gonna tango with the daddy-o. That was cringe. Shut up, Jeffy. Go outside.
Fine, I will go outside. But when I come back inside with a 3rd-degree burn, it's all your fault. Ah, stupid Daddy, making me go outside. It's hot as heck out here. Huh? Why did it get so dark all of a sudden? Huh? What's going on? For the amazing Cheerios. Yes, Jeffy, these are tasty. This actually isn't that bad. This is probably the best cereal I've ever tasted. Thanks, Chef Pee-Pee.
No need to thank me, Junior. It's just Cheerios. Oh, you're right, Chef Pee-Pee. I shouldn't thank you. Because you're cooking so bad, the only thing you get a compliment out of is just a bowl of cereal. Ha! How weak. Right, guys?
Yeah, I agree, dude.
You want me to go get Braxton? No, Chef Pee-Pee, please don't get my dad. Then shut up and eat your cereal. Gosh. Okay, fine. I'll eat my cereal. Jeez.
Guys, what's the sound? What's going on?
What's happening? No, the Cheerios! Guys, quick, go to Jimmy's bedroom. There's a tornado happening.
A tornado?
I'm out of here, dude! Wait, Joseph, down! I'm out of here, dude! Okay, everyone's here. Okay, wait, where's Joseph? He's dead! He's gone forever! The storm lifted him up and took him away. Yeah. Oh no! Okay, at least everyone's here. Get out of the covers quickly. Okay, Jeffy's dead. Okay, Daddy. Wait, guys, this isn't gonna do anything. What? Okay, guys, stay under there while I find something to cover the window with. Wait, where's Chef Pee-Pee? What do I do? Cody, what's happening? Cody, what's happening? Why is he getting so loud? I think he's getting closer. Wait, I feel like I'm missing something. What? Danny, the window! Wait, what? Oh, the window! Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, no! He got Jimmy's dad! Guys, I can't hold on much longer! I'm slipping! No! Mommy! No! It's on Junior, too! Cody, what are we
Is this how I die? Junior? Joseph? Cody? Daddy?